now we have a uniform rod again. This diagram is given of mass m. So non-uniform is telling. Non-uniform means it will not be at the center, and the length is given in terms of a. So a is the length here, 8 times a is here, 2 times a is here. O is the midpointer. Let's read the question. Hangs horizontally in equilibrium from two wires m and n. So at m and n we will get tensions. At m, let's say tension is Tm. At n, tension is Tn. Where Pm value is A, it's given in diagram. Qn value is 2A, given in diagram. Center of mass of the beam is at O. A particle of mass 3 by 4 m is placed on the beam at Q. Q means end point. So downward force will be there. 3 by 4 m is the mass. So weight will be 3 by 4 m into g. And the beam is on the point of tipping about n. Show that ON is 3 by 2A. So we have to show, that means we have to prove that this is the case. Okay.
Yes.
So let's go with A bit. So it is tipping about which point? It's tipping about the point n, right?
Yes.
So if it is tipping about the point n, then this value becomes 0. Okay. Now take sum of moments about the point n. Okay, so here downward force, weight of the beam is how much? Mass is m. If mass is m, then m into g will be the weight. So m into g, distance is on, correct? And this
Yes.
one is moving in anti-clockwise, so plus. Then 3 by 4 mg is the weight. This one is okay, distance we have to take now, nq. Nq is the distance, and this is moving in clockwise direction, so minus. Total should be 0. We know the value of nq is equal to 2a. We know the value of nq is equal to 2a. Let's substitute it directly. Okay. So now we just need to solve it. So take this whole term to the other side. Mg into On equals 3 by 4 mg into 2a. So mg will cancel, and 2 will cancel with this. So we get On value as 3a by 2. That's what is asked. So
Yes.
hence proved. Then B bit, let me take a different color. So B bit, let's solve for B bit. Find the magnitude of the tension in the wire attached at point n in terms of G. Okay, so what is he asking us to find? He's asking to find the value of Tn. Okay.
Yes.
So for this we just have to take sigma V. What are the vertical forces? Tn is acting upwards, mg is acting downwards, and 3 by 4 mg is also acting downwards. Total should be 0, correct? So both these terms are negative, send it to the other side. Tn will be mg common, 1 plus 3 by 4. So mg into 4, 7 by 4, correct? So 7 mg
Yes.
by 4. This is our answer. Any doubts here?
No, sir.